Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Have you ever taken a sip of your morning coffee and thought, I wish this tasted more like diabetes? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the famous Vietnamese coffee hot or iced. With that being said, let's get to work. What you're going to need is a Vietnamese coffee maker. I don't know how to make it without one. If you're going to get one, I'd recommend one that uses a gravity insert which doesn't screw down. They're easy to use and work just as well. Here I have a medium 8 ounce and a large 11 ounce maker. Condensed milk is what makes it taste amazing. Trung Nguyen coffee or premium blends are made specifically for Vietnamese coffee. These coffees are a mix of Arabica and Robusta and pre-ground perfectly for making Vietnamese coffee. Step 1 is to add about 2 teaspoons of condensed milk to a mug. For hot coffee, I add about 1.5 tablespoons to a medium maker and 2 tablespoons for a large maker. Put the insert on top and give it a light twist and a gentle press. Add a splash of boiled water and let that drain. What this does is swells up the coffee grounds into a nice cake. Once the splash is drained through, fill the rest of your maker with hot water. You can add the lid on top to keep it warm, but I rarely do. It should take about 10 minutes total to percolate. Once it's fully drained, take your maker off and stir that condensed milk in. At this point it's ready to drink, but if you want iced coffee, I'd suggest making it a little bit stronger. Maybe 2 tablespoons for a medium maker and 3 tablespoons for a large. Add it to a glass of ice, mix it around, and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out my video, like if you're a communist, and subscribe if you escaped. Also find my live streams on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I've got to get back to work.